Students, today we will focus on the topic agricultural practices. So, what will happen in agricultural practices? There are certain steps that are followed as part of good agricultural practices. Means, if a person or if a farmer he want to perform his farming, so he has to follow certain steps. With the help of following the steps, he will develop n number of huge amount of their production. So what are these steps? The first one is step is plowing, second is adding manure and fertilizer, third one is sowing, fourth one is irrigation, next one is protection of crops, next is harvesting, and last one is storage. So what happened in case of the first step? First, what will happen? The first step is plowing. So what will happen here? First, the field is plowed. Okay. Why the farmer before sowing the seed, it is going to plow the field? Because it loses the soil. Earlier, what it is before plowing the soil, it is present in a very complex way. So we have to break down the contents of the soil, so the development of the plant will be easily grown there. So what is the use of plowing here? It loosening the soil using a plow is called plowing. So what happened? This is a field. Okay, with the help of plowing, this the soil, it is going to break down into various pieces and the soil become loose. So loses the soil with the process plowing, that is known as plowing. Next step is adding manure and fertilizer. Now what happened? This soil is going to loosen. So what we have to increase the nutrient of this particular soil. So manures as well as the fertilizers are going to add here. So what happened here? Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to improve nutrients. Our most important thing is what? We have to improve the number of the nutrients here. Now what is the third step? That is sowing. So because this soil, it is loses, and now the nutrients as the manures as well as the fertilizers has been added here. So next step, the farmer will sow the seed in this particular field. So what happened here? Healthy seeds are sown, and be careful, the distance between one seed to the and the other seed, it is enough for the development of the each plant. So what happened here? Enough space must be provided for the development of the seeds. So this is a field and these are the seeds. So the farmer, it is going to sow the seed here for the sowing process. Next step, fourth step is irrigation. So what is irrigation? Supplying water is called irrigation. Now after sowing the seed here in this field, the plant has been grown. So it's a source of the water, and with the help of this source, the water is going to supply here in this field. This process means supplying water is called irrigation. So this is the process by which we are supplying the water to our field, that is known as irrigation. What is the fifth step? That is protection of crops. So for the protection of our crop, pesticides and insecticides are going to spread here. What is the role of these pesticides as well as the insecticides? They are going to protect our crop from the pest as well as the insects. After protection of crops, what happened? The sixth step, that is known as harvesting, it is going to start. So what happened in harvesting? When the crop is ripe, it is cut and gathered. This process is called harvesting the crop. So the farmer, it is going to collect all its crop. So that process is known as harvesting. Now next one is the storage process. What happened here in the storage process? First, the harvested crop is dried. After harvesting the crop, we are not going to store the particular crop immediately. First, the process of drying is going to take place. Okay, this drying, it will what is the role of this drying? It finishes the all moisture which is going to present here in the harvested crop. So drying is very important. Next, after drying, they are then stored in metal or earthen container or bags or godown. Now after the drying process, harvested crop is going to stored into the bags. If bags are present, so we are going to store in the bags, or we can store it in the earthen container or in a godown.